First item coming up with a no reorder store. I'm telling you, QVC 2, just if you're watching right now, we got QVC and QVC 2, a lot of fashion today on QVC. You're flicking over to QVC 2, join us people, because we have really great buys. Like really great buys. In this case, in a chroma colored metal garden hose. Not a plastic, not a rubber hose that could get hot, that could rip up. This is a 40-foot hose for $43.99. Normally brought in for $71. Final item, final chance, cool to the touch, and it works. Made of 304 stainless steel, and it stretches and it will not kink on you. And it pops back in to store when you're done. We're down to 3 colors, and by the way, it comes with the nozzle as well. One of them is a cobalt blue. Boop. One of them is the purple. We're calling it lavender. This is the coral, red coral, most limited. Comes with the nozzle. Good to go. Let's go to Jack Yeiser. Let's find out where Jack is. Jack, are you in San Diego?
Yes, I am. I'm here in our home garage studio. We're doing something really fun here. We're bringing you the Chroma coiled garden hose. Now, what is so exciting about this is everything you love about the metal garden hose, the one that we've been bringing to QVC for years, but not just with a pop of color, the Chroma colors that are so fun and beautiful to have, but it's also a coiled hose. This hose literally can put itself away. I mean, you can see here just how beautiful these are, but I also want to show you real quick how easy they are to stow away, because I have one in one of our fancy hose pots, and look at this, right? It's just something that's so easy to use. I pull it up, I drop it back in, and it's almost like a spring the way it wants to put itself back in. 40 feet and super compact, so it just tucks away nice and clean.
But I want to know this. I want to know, okay, I got the story of it. I got the 40 feet of it, but it is coiled. So a couple big problems, you know, the villain with a hose can be it kinks up. So this looks like it's not kinked up, but it is twisted up. Does it still get full power when I stretch this baby out?
Completely. So that's the beautiful thing about a metal garden hose, is there's no loss of flow if you twist it, if you kink it, if you tie it in knots. If you've seen us with these metal garden hoses before, we literally tie them with 30 knots throughout the hose and they still work. So a few loops like this are not going to be a problem, especially because they just make it so compact. I mean, I have 2 40-foot hoses here, and they are both coming out to only, I mean, shoot, that's maybe 1.5 feet. And that's what's so amazing, is you're getting something that's 40 feet in length, but when you need to put it away, it's barely bigger than it's not even bigger than a yardstick.
That's great. I'm 955-80. 955-80, 800-500-7590. Call the number, because these are gone. I know, are you gonna spritz a little bit there? Are you gonna show that off? Because if you want to, feel free to do it in the time we have, because we're down to 3 colors of these, and they're clearance price, so they're normally a lot more. So what happens in the off season when we hear about hoses that rip, hoses that break, hoses that are a hassle? What do you say about that?
Well, you see, the issue is there's so many hoses. Water is one of those things that just makes things fail. All hoses, when they're not built with the best quality, they will fail. Your rubber hoses, your fabric hoses, all of them. That's what's so amazing about metal hoses, is they stand up to the test of life and endurance way better. You've seen in some of our videos before where we take angle grinders, we put them through rose bushes, we send them through scissors. Nothing will break these hoses, and that's what's so amazing, is you get perfect endurance with great performance all the time. You don't have to worry about kinks, knots or loops. All of them will work great. And because it's a coil hose, it wants to put itself away. It's almost like a spring, to where when you pull it apart, it wants to retract itself. And here you can see just how amazing it is for the garden. And again, you can see it's easy to put back in, and it puts itself into such a compact space that you can literally have this anywhere. Whether you put it in your garage, whether you put it in your garden, you can also see right there, the jaws of death, it will stand up to it. Angle grinder, it will stand up to it. These hoses are so durable. They don't get hot in the sun, because the stainless steel reflects the sunlight and the UV, which would increase the temperature. So it's actually cooler to the touch than any other hose that you have.
You know, the thing about $43.99, I had a long hose, right? But it was a pain in the butt. I had to buy one of those things to wind it back up again. And that got all kinked up, and that got wrecked. So I don't have to worry about that right now. So a couple questions. Number one, you get the hose nozzle with it as well, right? That's number one. Number two, can you hook these up to one another if I get two?
Definitely. So you can get 40, 80 to 120 feet, honestly, even 160 feet if you really wanted to. All of our hoses have universal connectors, so they will hook up to not just other Bernini hoses, but also any other nozzle or hose you might already have. So it's not something where you need to replace your hose if you already have one, but you might want to because this is going to be a lot better.
Tell me about the metal story on these. It's called Chroma colored. Will they rust if it's metal? What's the story there?
No, it's the highest grade stainless steel, so there's not going to be any corrosion or rusting. We added this color on here because it just makes things more beautiful. Honestly, when we're making things out of stainless steel, it's really difficult to get differentiations in colors. I mean, if you've seen some of them, we can change the color of the nozzle, the grips, but with these, we wanted to have even more fun and get a vibrant purple, get a vibrant lavender, coral, all these amazing colors that you want to have laying around in your yard because, you know, it gets a little boring seeing the same colors all around. So we want to get something that'll pop, and pop off the table.
And pop off the table. Well, they're hot on our table right here in a cobalt blue. They're available in this grape color. It's called lavender. It's really a rich royal purple. And this is the most limited. It's called the coral. Has the coordinating colors and the hose nozzle, all for $43.99. M95580 800 575 90. Jack, thanks for joining us. Appreciate you. Have a good day in San Diego.
Thank you very much.
More to come in the big show. Update on the shoes at a great sale price. I'm wearing them right now. The big